Hey friends, it snowed in Utah. It's been snowing very little this winter, and I decided to go in nature and pull off at this amazing spot that has red rock. It's so pretty. I'll show you around. I love the fresh snow on the trees. It's so pretty. Okay, so there's this cool crevice in the red rock. It's so pretty. Look how amazing this is. And the snow. I love this. It's so pretty. And the crunching. I think I hear water somewhere. Is there water? Wow. I think I hear water, but I didn't think there was water on this side. I've got a glove that I just dropped. Anyway, it's so pretty. I just love it. I think red rock's so amazing. I'll show you a little closer. It's very cold and crisp, but look at this. Just so pretty. I don't know where that sound is coming from. I want to find it. Anyway, I thought I would take you on this little journey in case you're not able to ground. I don't know if I dare step in this red dirt. I don't know how muddy it is. Where is that sound coming from? It sounds like from up high. So is there a waterfall? It can't be a waterfall, right? Can you guys hear it? This is Spanish Fork Canyon. Sorry it's so jiggly because I'm actually cold, so I'm shaking too. Oh, it's coming from the other side. That's why. Okay, I'll see if I can get over to it. Oh, it sounds a little bit deep here. Oh, so pretty. Ah, that's where the water's coming from. I see it now. For a second, I thought I was going crazy. Now you can hear it, I bet. There it is. I love hiking or walking around nature with running water. It just feels so soothing and amazing to me. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. Just gonna listen to that sound all day. But I would be too cold to stay out here all day. Let's be honest. Let's see if I can get close without falling in the water. I love it so much. Okay, let's do a little bit of affirmations too. That'd be cool, huh? I am like a river flowing easily through life. Let's see what else. I am like a tall mountain, strong and magnificent. I'm like a tree with deep, good roots. There's a tree over there. Resilient and strong and not uprooted by the winds that come through. I hope that this just brought you some peace today and some joy and helped you feel like you could get out in case you're somewhere where you can't really get out. I hope this blessed you, and I hope you know you're loved and amazing,